Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Siddhi and I'm a product designer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Figma. If you have just opened Figma for the first time, don't worry, I have got you. Today in this video, we will go through all those basics so you can start designing right away. Let's jump in. Alright, so this is your home screen and I have already created one YouTube project here, and inside that, I am creating one design file. So let's create one design file. Alright, so design file we have created, and this is your whole complete blank canvas. So inside that we will create different frames and create a different designs. Okay, so let me show you first, which is the left panel, which is your layer panel, where all different pages, you can create different pages here like this, and whichever in the canvas, like shapes, frames, whatever you create here in the blank canvas, it will show up here in this layer panel. Okay, now let's go to the central toolbar. So this is central toolbar where you will create your frame like this. You can create a different shapes, like I have created shapes here like this. So you can create a different shapes like this here from this toolbar, and also you can create a text. Just tap on T and you can type whatever you want to type here. So you can type here. So this is what you can do, these three things. On the right control panel, which is your properties panel. So for example, let's say we have created the shapes, so you can able to see all your this properties, like for this particular shapes you can able to customize it here. So let's say this is the color I wanted to change. I can go to this property panel, and I can change the different colors and everything. I can add the stock here. I can create a different effects. Let's say I wanted to create a different shadow here, like layer blur and everything. So this is what you can do. Okay, now another thing you can able to see here, this is export. So whatever shapes you have created here, you can able to export it here. This is your preview panel, and you can export whatever shapes in the canvas you can create. You can able to export it in a different format, SVG, PDF and everything. So this is all your, like, this is basically that you have covered, like properties, toolbar and everything. So let's create one design real quick. I'm tapping on press F. The one another thing, the frame. So customized frame, you can create it by just dragging on like that. And if you wanted to create a mobile design like that, so you can tap on the mobile frame here. So this, let's say I want to create a design, a mobile app design for iPhone, and this is the size, width and height I want. So just tap on F anytime and you just create a different frames here. Like let's say you wanted to create a design like tablets, you can create a different tablets frame. You can also create frame for a desktop app. So there are different predefined frame size here in the right control panel, which when you just tap on F, you can able to see this on the right control panel. So you can use it that way. Okay, let me delete this, and okay, perfect. So in this frame you have a blank frame here. Let's create a login page. Right, so this is your login page. I have changed the name is also reflected here. So I wanted to create one shapes here, like frame here. I'm creating frame here. Let's say username, this is your frame. I want to, let's create background. Okay, this is what you have created. Control C, Control V, and let's create a button, click me or submit any. And so you can create a submit button here like this, or login button here like this, which is your black color. All right, so we have created like 3 separate frames. So this is one for the username. Let's say user, press T, tap on username and press T. Here is password. Okay, and alright, so I've created this different colored, and this is a login page basically. I want to show you the prototype things, so that's the reason why I have created this layout. So now let's click on the frame. I'm going to show you a prototype, how you can play your prototype. So let's tap on this frame and tap on the right side top, just tap on this play button and you will able to see this. Yeah, correct. Your mobile frame, you have selected mobile frame, and this is how you can able to see your design in the particular frame. So now let's say in the prototype panel you have your prototype settings here. You can able to change a color and everything by here, so you can able to change that. So now let's if you are creating a prototype, let me create another frame like that. Okay, now I wanted to play the prototype like this. Like after tapping on login, I just wanted to show a user a login successful, right? So I'm increasing the size. Okay, this is random text I have put it here. I'm not showing. Okay, yeah, we have put it this text. Okay, inside that. Okay, now let's, after tapping on this, I wanted to show the screen which is login successful. So tap on this prototype, you will see this plus icon here, and just tap on this frame. You will see the your control panel for your animation here. So you can just by tapping on this, you'll able to see the screen. So it will navigate to this destination. Let me change the name of this login success. Okay, perfect. So login success is done. So now this is how your login successful screen will be the next screen. When you tap on this, you'll see the name. We have changed it here. Okay, you can also tap on this to just show the quick overview here in the design file as well. So let's click on the login, tap on login, and this is how your login screen, the another screen you're able to see. All right, so we have created our first mobile app design on Figma, and if you have followed my tutorial along with you, then good job, you did your first design. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope this video is really helpful for you to understand just the basics of Figma. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you on the next video pretty soon. Happy designing. Bye.